Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C Class. In this video I'll show you all steering wheel's buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. And these three buttons are responsible for speedometer display. For example, let's press the home button and now we are in homepage of speedometer. You navigate via this middle button and go back via this button of the arrow right here. This panel below is responsible for cruise control. Now let's go here, and thanks to this button you can navigate through screen display. Simply press the home button to enter a menu and swipe through the middle button to select a section. Press the arrow button to go back. Thanks to this panel you can make a phone call, you can decline a